Hey y'all, my name is Deshae B and I'm a mortgage loan originator with the Greystone Mortgage Bank. As a mortgage loan originator or loan officer, it's my job to help you in securing a loan to purchase your home or any type of property in general. Honestly, it's fairly impossible for me to tell you guys everything you need to know about buying a home in under 10 minutes, but I'll do my best to give you guys some clear and memorable takeaways so that you feel a little bit more prepared when you're ready to make that big step. There's a million things you can find on Google about the steps in the home buying process, so instead of trying to cram all that in here, I'll just stick to my expertise, which is documents. When I first started in this industry, I was a loan processor, the person that gets all of your documents that the underwriter is requesting in order to clear your loan to close. When you're applying for a home loan, your loan officer is going to request these documents before you're even approved. These are the documents that are going to let them know if your file is good to approve for the loan amount that you're applying for. Those documents are 2 years tax returns, 2 years W-2s, 2 months pay stubs, 2 months bank statements, and your driver's license. So let's break those down a little bit and explain why we need those, starting with your tax returns. The underwriter wants to review your tax returns to validate the income that you told them that you have. They want to make sure they're aware of any write-offs, any other properties you own, any businesses that you own, just everything about your income that's filed with the government. They want to know. If you are a business owner and you do a lot of write-offs, the year you're planning to buy your house, I suggest that you not do all the write-offs that you usually do when you're filing your taxes. It's nothing wrong with writing things off. It's not illegal at all. It's just that when you're buying a home, they're going to go with that bottom line. So if you said that you made $100,000 this year and you wrote off $80,000, you're only going to be getting $20,000 as your income. That bottom line on your taxes, that's your income. I know this part is not for everybody, but we may have a few business owners in the room, and a lot of people don't know that. If you have a loss on your taxes for your business, that's what they're going to be counting as your income. You don't have any. It's that loss. 2 years W-2s. They want to make sure that the income that you're reporting is actually income coming from your job, your W-2. They also want to make sure that your W-2s match up with your pay stubs, so they're going to need those too. Now, 2 months pay stubs. If you're paid twice a month, they're going to need 4 pay stubs. If you're paid once a month, they're going to need 2 pay stubs. If you're paid every week, they're going to need all 8 pay stubs from those 2 months. They're going to need your pay stubs, of course, to confirm your income, but also confirm any other deductions. Are you paying alimony? Are you paying child support? Is there anything else garnishing your wages that we need to add to your debt to income ratio? That's why they need your pay stubs. And for the bank statements. Now, most people don't know this, but bank statements can be the trickiest thing when it comes to buying a home because they want to source almost everything. They're not necessarily looking at what you're buying, but where the money is coming from that's being added to your account. If your sister gave you $2,000 for something, they may need her bank statements to show that she already had that money in her account and it just wasn't placed there in order to pay you. They want to make sure there's no money laundering or any other type of illegal activity going on with the money in your account. I always tell my clients, when you're planning to buy a new home, opening up another bank account is not a bad idea so that there's not so many deposits going in and out. And it may be a great idea to get a portion of your check to go directly to that bank account as the direct deposit, so it's only money coming from your job. And your driver's license. Your driver's license is just needed to confirm your identity. If you don't have a driver's license, they'll take any government ID, a state ID, or your passport. If you're not a U.S. citizen, we do have programs for green card holders and ITIN holders. That's all I have for you guys today. I really hope this helped and gave you guys just a little bit more insight on what it takes to buy a home. I definitely want to give a huge shout out to Cedric. This is so dope that you're starting this nonprofit and focusing on financial literacy. We definitely need that in our community, and I definitely want to help a lot more home buyers that look like us get into some homes this year and the years to come. Again, my name is Deshae B. I'm a mortgage loan originator or loan officer with Greystone Mortgage Bank. I am licensed in California, Illinois, Georgia, Texas, and Florida, and I'm also a California state licensed real estate agent. So if you need me for anything, I'll have all of my contacts in the next slide. Thanks guys, bye.